Hello everyone, welcome once again to another TCS Specific online training conducted by 7 Sense Talent Solution. Let's see what are topics we're going to cover in this class. Okay, today we're going to cover number series, blood relation, data arrangements, reasoning, syllogisms, statement assumption, statement conclusion. These are the 7 topics we are going to learn today. Okay. First, let us move on to number series. Okay, first we're starting with number series. First, let's solve the problem on number series. Find the missing number. First, we need to analyze the difference between each number. So it is 2, 4, 8, 6. Right. What is the logic it is applied till 2 to 16? It is multiplied by 2. 2 to the 4. Again, it is 4 is multiplied by 2. So 2 to the 4 to the 8. Again, it is multiplied by 2. 8 to the 16. Then what will be the missing number? Even that should be multiplied with 2, right? Yes. Because all the digits are multiplied by 2. That is the logic in this. My voice is audible? Yes. Suraj, my voice is audible? Yes. Now let us move on to second one. What comes next after? Yes. Now let us move to 3, 6, 9, 12. Right. What is the missing number? By looking at this, we can see that it is multiple of 3. So the missing number is 15. Yes. 15 is the answer. Find the answer for the next one. In this, what is the logic behind this? Numbers, what is the missing term? Did you get the answer? Yes. Yes, Suraj. This is 1 square, 1. So 2 square it is 2. It is a square number. 3 square we get 9. 4 square it is 16. Then this will be 25 because 5 square is 25. Okay. Now solve for fourth one. What is the fourth answer? See, it is multiple of 2. 5 twos that is 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40. So 40 twos are 80. 80 is the correct answer. Yes, find the answer for 15th one. Yes, 18th is, 80 is correct. So find the answer for the fifth one. Here between 1 and 3, 2 is the difference. From Between 3 and 6, 3 is difference, right? 6 and 10, it is 4 difference. So one after other, the number is going to increase, right? Here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 5. So next number will be difference of how much? Here they had it with 2, here they had it with 4, 3, here they had it with 4. So here they had it with 5. So here they're adding with 15 plus 6, it is 21. They're adding consecutive numbers. So 21 is your right answer. Next, let's move on to next one. Find the missing number. 2, 6, 12, 20. After 20, what is the missing number here? Find, find the difference between one and first and second number. What is the logic behind this? First, we need to find out the logic. What is the logic behind this? Let's check it out. Between 2 to 6, for 2 they added with 4, so it is 6, right? Between 6 and 12, what is the possible value they are going to add? Plus 6. 6 plus 6, it is 12. Okay. Next, between 12 to 20, they're going to add how much? To get 20, how much they're going to add? It is 8, right? So, see, here they added with plus 4, here with 6, here with 8. Then here it should be added with which number? It's all even number. 4, 6, 8. Next even number it is 10, right? So 20 plus 10 equals 30. 30 is your answer. Any doubt? Okay, now let's move on to seventh one. Yes. Find the answer for seventh one. What is the logic behind this? See, they're adding 1 plus 1, it is 2. 1 plus 2, it is 3. 2 plus 3, it is 5. And 3 plus 5, it is 8. So next number should be 5 plus 8. So it should be 13, right? They're using Fibonacci sequence. That means 1. Before that, there is no other number. So you're not adding with any digit. So it will be 1. The next number, it should be added with first and second digit. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. We got 2. We got 2 here. So the same way, 2 plus, what is the another number here? Let's write it like this. 1 plus 2. Last two numbers they need to add to the next number. To get next number, we have to add last previous two numbers. So after 3, see, they added with first they have taken 1 because before that there is no any digits. Then to get next digit, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Then 1 plus 2, it is 3. Again 2 plus 3, it is 5. Then 3 plus 5, it is 8. Same way, how much it should be? 8 plus 5 plus 8, right? So how much it should be? 13. 13 is your answer. This is your answer. 13. Any doubt? Now let's move on to solving next one. Find the missing term. There are four digits. We need to find the fifth one. So between this and this, there are four. 100 is minus 2 with subtracted with digit 4. Even here, it is subtracted with 4. Even here, 92 is subtracted with 4. Even here, it is subtracted with 4 to get the answer. That means your answer will be 84. Each number is decreased by 4. So it is 100 decreased by 4 means 96. Again, it is decreased by 4 means it is 92. Again, it is decreased by 8 means, sorry, 4 means it is 88. Again, it is decreased by 4 because everywhere it is decreased by 4. So to find the missing number, the previous number should be decreased by 4. So that we'll get 84. Find the answer for the ninth one. What is the next number after 27? See, there are sequence they are given like 3, 6, 11, 18, 27. What will be the next number? Check the pattern. See, between 3 and 6, what is the difference? They're adding with 3, right? So it is 6. Again, between 6 and 11, how much is the difference? It is 5. Adding with 5. So it is 11. So find the next difference. 11, between 11 and 18, what is the difference here? They're adding with how much? 7 to get 18. The same way, check it out for between 18 to 27. How much should they add? Plus 9. If they add 9 to 18, then it should be 27. Here, we'll find the continuous odd numbers, right? 3, 5, 7, 9. So the next digit should be added with, what is the next odd number? It is 11, right? So your answer will be 30. How much? 38, right? Yes. Any doubt? Okay, we'll move on to next one. Find the missing number. 7, 4, 28, 56, 112. We need to find the next number. So we need to find the logic between 7 to 14. Between 7 and 14, what is the logic behind this? We need to find out first. First, let's find out they had it with 7 every time. 7 plus 7, it is 14. 14 plus 7, it is 21, not 28. So that logic is wrong. So let's try with other method. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 into 2, it is 28. 28 into 2, it is 56. Yes, we're getting the logic. So 56 into 2, it is 112. Yeah. Here, the each number is multiplied with 2. So the last digit should be multiplied with 2 to find the missing number. So your answer will be 2 to 4. We need to check in every possible way to find the answer. Now let's move on to next one. Find the answer for this. 1, 2, 6, 24, 120. What is the logic in this? Think it out in every possible way. Is it multiplied or it is added and multiplied? Think in every possible way. Okay. How we got this sequence? Yeah, 2, 6, 24, 120. Let's find it out. See, we have seen Yesterday we have seen the permutation combination method, right? In that we have seen that 1 factorial it is 1 and 2 factorial it is how much? 2, right? So 3 factorial it is 6, 4 factorial. How much it is? 120, right? So this is the logic which is applied here. So the next number will be 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial? What is the value of 5 factorial? It is how much? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the answer will be 720. So the next digit, the missing number will be 720. So let's move on to next one. What come next? 2, 9, 28, 65, 1 to 6. See what is the logic? Let's write all the digits. 65 and 1 to 6. These are the digits given, right? We need to find the next one. So here it is 2. We need to find the logic between 2 and 9. It is added with 7. Here it is how much? 19. There are a lot of difference between 7 and 19. So we have to think in other method. So let's see n to the power 3 equal plus 1. 1 minute. See 1 power it is 1 cube or 1 square it is how much? 1, right? It then here it is 2 square it is 2 square it is 4. So 2 cube it is 8. So even here it is added with 1. After squaring, we're adding with 1. Here also, sorry, after cube, we're multiply taking the cube, we're adding with 1. And here 2 to the power 3 is 8. Even here we're adding with 1. Let's write the whole stack. N to the power 3 into the power 3 plus 1. So, so this is the logic because 1 to the power 3, we all know that it's 1 itself. So that for that we are adding with 1. So the answer will be 2. Right. The same way here also 2 to the power 3. So it is 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the same way 3 to the power 3. How much it is? 27 plus 1 it is 9. The same way 4 to the power 4 equals to 64. Sorry, this is 4 to the power 3 equals 64 plus 1 equals 65. This is a logic is applied here. Here 5 to the power 3. So 5 cube equals 125. We're adding with 1. So it is 126. Here the number should be what we have to do here to find the missing digit. What is the next number? 6, right? 6 to the power 3. What is 6 cube? What is 6 cube? It is 2, 1, 6, right? 6 cube. 6 is a 36, 36 3. 36 6 is a 216. It should be added with 1. So your answer will be 217. This is how we solve the number series. Now let's move on to next one. Here, this is very easy. Find it out. Just check the difference between 9 and 18. It is 9. Here it is 18 to 36. The difference is 18. Here it is 36, the difference. So each number, every time the number is getting doubled. That means 9 into 2 it is 18. 18 into 2 it is 36. 32 into 2 it is 72. 72 into 2 it is 144. Then to find the missing number, we have to multiply the last digit into 2 so that we get 288, right? This will be your and missing term. Now let's move on to find next one. Even this is also easy. Just find the difference between this and this. First find the difference. We got 12 after 3, 48 after 12. So 3 fours it is 12, right? Yes. So 12 fours are 48. 48 fours are it is 192. So we can easily tell that the each number is multiplied by number 4. To find the missing term, what you have to do, you have to multiply the last number with the logic. What is the logic here? They have multiplied each number with 4. So this also you have to multiply with 4. So your answer will be 3072. Now let's move on to next topic. Next topic is blood relation. Here, first take a note that any doubt in previous topic? If there any doubt, just clear it now itself. Yeah, is there any doubt in previous topic? Okay, fine. We'll move on to next one. Blood relation. Yeah. See, mother, father, their relationship, let us indicate this symbol equals. Okay. For mother, for women's will indicate with subtraction. For men's will indicate with plus. Okay. Then between brothers and sister, the relationship will, or between siblings, will use this symbol. Okay. For brothers, for men's, what is the symbol here? Plus. To identify women, it is minus. Okay. Now let's solve the problem. Just mainly remember this. This is more than enough to solve the problems. Now try to solve this. Try to solve the first one. Indicate man in plus and women in subtraction. Solve it fast. Solve the answer and tell it fast. See, pointing a man, Rita said, E is the son. Let's write son as S. Is a boy, right? So let us indicate in plus. Is a son of my grandfather's. Grandfather will be Here, let's keep it empty here. So grandfather, GF. Grandfather is men, so we're indicating with plus. Rita said, he is a son of my grandfather's only son. So your grandfather is son. Let's write it as just F. One is male, so we're indicating with F. He is a son of my grandfather's only son, means that that girl will be a what? Here she'll be here. We'll write this as girl. So let us indicate this in minus. So now, how is the man related to Rita? Rita is a girl. She is the one. How she is related? For the man, how is related? Is what? Is brother. This symbol, this dash, indicates siblings. For marriage, for mother and father, we are using this equate symbol. Okay. Now let's move on to next one. If a father, if A is a father of B, see, A is a father. That means male, right? So we're indicating with plus. Is a father of B. We don't know B up till here. We don't know B is what, whether male or female. We don't know. Okay. Then next statement. B is the mother of C. We know now. We came to know that B is mother. That means B is female. We'll indicate with minus symbol. She is mother of C. Now, how A is related to C? This person will be grandchild to the E person. So now we have to tell how A, this person related to C. So what are the option? Grandfather, father, uncle, brother. See, A mother is C, mother is B. So B father is A. That means A is related as grandfather to C. This will be the answer. The main thing is you need to understand and draw, then you need to analyze. Let's move on to next. Okay. Pointing to a woman, Rahul said, she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. What is the answer? Just analyze and tell. Answer. Yeah. What is the answer for third one? Yes, you are right. Sister is the answer for the third one. Find the answer for the fourth. Introducing the girl, Ravi said she is the only daughter of my father's wife. That means this is very easy. Is introducing a girl telling that she is the only daughter of my father's wife, means is telling about his sister, right? His father wife means his mother, right? Our daughter means she is related as sister to Ravi. So answer is sister. See, I'll draw it out. She is the only daughter. See, daughter She is the only daughter of my father. Father will indicate with plus and daughter with minus, because from female we are indicating with subtraction, for male we are indicating with plus. Father's wife. So we are indicating relationship between father and mother in equal way, equal digit, sorry, equal symbol. So this will be like this. He is telling she's the only daughter of my father's wife. So she is the daughter. Then Ravi is also a son. So now they are related as sibling. So how the girl is related to Ravi? She is sister, right? This symbol indicates that siblings relationship. So Ravi is boy. You are indicating with plus. So your answer is sister. Move on to next. P's father sister's father is Q. P's father. We don't know. Father's is plus. Sister. So let's write it in this way. Sister's father. Right. The father is Q. Even for F also father is Q. F is boy, S is girl. So how the Q is related to P? That means Q is a grandfather to P. So answer is grandfather. Find the answer for sixth. Yes. So what is the answer for sixth one? Find the answer for sixth. Okay, first let us draw. E is a son of A. E is son means we have to indicate with plus. Son of A. We don't know whether A is father or mother. We don't know. So leave it like that. So D is son of B. D is son of B. Here also we don't know. B is father or mother. Okay. E is married to C. It should be indicated with equate symbol. So married to C. Yeah, up to 8 is done. Okay. Then C, if E is plus, what will be the C? E is male. C will be female. Right. So you have to indicate with minus symbol. So C is B's daughter. Then these both will be siblings, right? Yes. How is D related to E? How this D related to E? The option will be brother-in-law. Now let's move on to next one. Okay. A, first let us draw this. A is son of C. A is 1 minute. A is son. Son should be indicated in plus. Son of C. C and Q are sisters. So this is mother, right? For mother, it should be indicated in minus. C and Q are sister. So Q is also female, so it is indicated with minus. Z is mother of Q. Z is also female, so it should be indicated with minus. Okay, see here, Z is mother of Q and P. Sorry. That is the statement different and this statement is different. Up to here it is done. Z is mother of Q, it is done. So P is son of Z. Write it down. P is son should be indicated with plus. Right. P is son of Z. So which of the following statements are is true? P and A are cousin. Is they are cousin? No, right? So P is uncle to A. The relation between them are P is uncle to A. So this is wrong. P is maternal uncle of A. Yes, this is correct. Q is maternal grandfather of A. No, this is aunt. Right? This is indicating female, but they're telling grandfather. So this option is wrong. Then C and P are sister. No. C and Q are sister. C is sister here. It is indicated with minus. P is brother here. So even this option is wrong. The correct answer is B. These are the type of question we can get in apti based on blood relationship. Now let's move on to next topic. Before that, do you have any doubt in blood relation? The main thing is to just while drawing, you need to be very careful and you have to give a proper sign for each one. Then it will be easy to solve the blood relationship problem. So let's move on to next type. Data arrangement. This is also called as seating arrangement. Now let's move on to solve the first one. E, P, R, X, S, and Z are sitting in a row. Excuse me. See here. Let us imagine that they are all are facing towards this side. That means they are sitting this way, like they're facing this side towards north. Let's think that they're facing towards north. Okay. All are facing towards north. So now let us draw. All are facing towards upwards. That means north. So okay. S and R in the S and Z are in the center. Let's write it down. See, this is S, this is Z. They are in the center. How many are there? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this side there will be 2, and this side there will be 2 members. This is not the only possible way, right? Even they can be seated in Z, Z first and S later. These are the possibilities between these two numbers, between these two members. So, so the statement is done. A and P are at the ends. So let's write it down. A here and P here. This is the only possible way. No, right? This can be interchanged. Even P back can be at the left hand, right? Even A can be at the right hand. Then what are the remaining? R is sitting to the left of A. Right, left of A means A's left means it cannot be here. So this is not the correct way. That means this P. Let's write it down here also. P A. This is the possibility. Right. Which letter is sitting? R is sitting to the left of A. That will be like this, right? So the remaining letter is what? A is done, R P is done, R is done, X is the remaining one. These two are the possibilities we are getting. So who is to the right of P? Who is there? X, right? Your answer is X. Yes, Suraj, B is right. Now we'll move on to next one. First, just solve it. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W are sitting in a sitting round the circle and are facing the center. That means the one is sitting here, one is sitting here, one is facing this side, this side. All are totally there are 1, 2, 3, 4, so 8 members are there. 1 minute. These are the 8 placements, right? 1 minute, guys. What are the placements? Here and here. There are 8 placements and all are facing towards center. That means like this. Right, they're facing towards center. Any doubt is up to here? Why I have written like this? Because there are they are facing towards center and sitting in a circle. Okay. Now let's move on to conditions. What are the condition? P is second to the right of T. That means P is here. It is second to the right of T. Let's write it here. P is here. It is second to the right of T. T is second right. This is first right and this is second right. So we'll write this as P and one blank T because they are facing towards center. So T right side is this. T is first to right person and second right person is P. Okay. Who is neighbor of R and V? This T person is neighbor is, let's write it down, R and V. Even the possible way are, here it can be R and here it can be V. So let's write it down. R. T neighbors are R and V. Right? Okay. This first statement is done. S is not the neighbor of P. So here S will be not there. So let's keep it like that. S is not neighbor of P. This is the one condition. Let's keep it aside. V is the neighbor of U. Where is U here? V here, it is here. So its neighbor is U. Okay, this is correct. See, if you take this statement, V neighbor, it is U. This option, but here it is P. So This option cannot be correct, so let's leave it this and we'll mark this point. P I have written here, R I have written here, T I have written here, V I have written here, V neighbor is U I have written here. Up to 3 condition it is done. Q is not between S and W. Where is Q here? Where is S? Okay, let's write S and W. Q is not between them. Okay, W is not between U and S. U and S. Let's write it S here. It is not between, right? So Q is not between S and W. So let's write S and W here. Let's check it out. S and W, because Q is not between. Remaining letters are S, W and Q. Right. S will not come. S will be not placed here because the given statement as X is not neighbor of P. So it should be year or year. Okay. Then they have given that S is not, oh sorry, W is not a neighbor of U. U is here and S. So it should not be here. So we are writing W here and S here. Okay. Then what is the left out letter? Q is not between S and W. It is not between here. So the remaining place is here. So we are writing this here. Okay. Now let's solve the problem based on this. 1 second. First we need to analyze and draw it. Then we need to solve. Okay. Now let's find it out. Which two of the following are not neighbors? Are we? No, they are not neighbors. This is wrong. UV, yes, they are neighbors. RP, they are neighbors. QW, they are neighbors. So here R and V are not neighbors. So A is the correct option. First, the main thing is you need to draw. Then we need to analyze based on the diagram what we have drawn. Now find for second one. Find the answer for the second one. Which one is immediate right to the V? Right. Which is immediate right to V? It is T. V, this they are facing towards center. So V right side is T. It is immediate right. So T is the correct answer. Right. Now so find the answer for this. What is the position of S? Between U and V? No, right? It is between W and U. So this is wrong. Second to the right of P. Second to the right of P. Yes. P 1, 2. But this is not second. This is third right of P. Right. So this is wrong. So to the immediate right of W. Yeah, it is immediate right of W. This can be the answer. We'll find it for the next one is data inadequate. So this is wrong. The option is C. Okay, now let's move on to next problem. There are 5 girls sitting on the bench to the photography. So let's imagine that they are facing towards north, to the front side. Let's think they are facing towards this side. Okay, all are facing towards that side. Okay. Seema is to the left of Rani. So let's write Rani is somewhere here, and left of Rani it is Seema. Okay, Seema is to the left of Rani. So this done, this is done. To the right of Bindu. The Seema is to the left of Rani and right of Bindu. Okay, up to it is done. Mary is to the right of Rani. Mary is to the right of Rani. Rita is between Rani and Mary. Rita is between Rani and Mary. So in between them, RE. These are the possibilities. This is the statement which what we have gone, and this way they are going to be seated. So let's find the answer. Who is sitting immediate right to Rita? It is B, right? Immediate right, because all are facing towards north. This is your north. So immediate right to Rita, it is Mary. Mary is the answer. So next one. Who is the middle to the photograph? Who is middle here? 1, 2, 3. Here it is middle. It is Rani. Rani is the answer for this. She is the middle person in the photography. So next, who is the second from the right? So who is the person from right side? 1, 2. So it is who is the second person? It is Rita. So the option is Rita. Who is the second from the left? This is left, right? Second is Seema. Second left. So, any doubt? Any doubt in seating arrangement? Okay, now let's move on to visual reasoning. In this, they are going to give up figures. In that, we need to analyze, then we need to find the next figure. Okay, so let's analyze looking into the first one. See, they have given triangle and they have given three square boxes. So in next diagram, the same diagram is turned in 180 degree. Right? If it turns, 1 minute. See, this one, if it turns 90 degree means it will look like somewhat like this, and the triangles will be, that square will be somewhere here when it turns to 90 degree. But here it has turned to 180 degree. That means this one is tilted like this, and the square are here. In the same way, this one is turned in 180 degree. That means this, for let's check it out for 90 degree. For 90 degree, somewhat it looked like, it exactly looked like this when it turns tilted 90 degree. Okay, but here in this condition, from two figures, so it is tilted in 180 degree. So the C also should be tilted in 180 degree to find the answer. So it will be like, this is triangle. So this will be your answer. That means the answer will be what? Which one will suit this? This. Second one is the answer. Now let's move on to next problem. In this, how it is done? How it is tilted? See, analyze between first and second figure. It is tilted 90 degree, right? When it tilted 90 degree, this this box is tilted in 90 degree, so it is look like this, and star comes here, right? In the same way, it should be tilted in 90. So this will come at which place? It will come somewhere here, right? It will come somewhere here, 90 degree. It's tilted. So it will be here, and this will be 1 second. Okay. See, even you can analyze like this. One step here, star is there. Here it is move on to one step extra. One next corner. From here to the next corner is here. So it is moved here. From here, the next corner is this, right? So in next block, it has to be here. Then what about this middle figure? It should be here. It is tilted in 90 degree. So this should be like, the direction should be inside. This is how it should be. So your option will be, it should be at right to top corner. So this is correct. Here it is not there. Here it is not there. But here the it is at corner, but the direction is wrong. Okay. Let's so this is wrong. And this also should be tilted in 90 degree. So it is tilted here. So both are correct. So the option 1 is right. Now we'll solve the next problem. See, in this, the diagram is filled with color. In this, it is transparent. Okay. Here, it has tilted in minus 90 degree in anti-clockwise. Right. So, everything is same, and also the in this it is filled with colors, and here it is filled with, it's not filled with any color, it is looking transparent. So same way, this has to be tilted in anti-clockwise. That means it should be like in this direction. It should be like this, right? Okay, it should look like this. Let's solve this problem with elimination method. So this cannot be the answer because it is tilted in anti-clockwise, but it is showing in clockwise, so this is not the answer. And this and this direction is same, so this is not the answer. In this, first this one is bigger, first triangle is bigger and second triangle is smaller, but they have given here first triangle as smaller, second triangle as bigger one, so even this is wrong. So remaining answer is this, and think the logic it is applied. So it is satisfying all the condition. It is tilted in minus 90 degree. That means anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So it will be in this direction. And the first triangle it is bigger. Even here it is bigger, and next one is smaller. And also see here in A and B figures. In A it is filled with color. In B it is one triangle is transparent. In the same way, even here that she should be like the C should be in the way it should be denote. In D we have to get like the C's first triangle should be what? It should be with filled with colors, and second one should be transparent. Okay, this satisfy the condition. Now let's move on to fourth. Here, what has happened? This one is tilted with 180-degree, right? In clockwise. So it look like this. So when this one is tilted, how it will look? This, when it is tilted 90, this arrow mark will be like this. When it is tilted 180, the edge arrow mark will be like this. We'll see. In this is not looking like that. The edge arrow mark is this side, so this is not, this is wrong. In this also it is the ear, it should be ear, right? So this is also wrong. Here it is there, so let's keep it as such, and here it is wrong. So the answer is C here. Now find the answer for the fifth one. See, in this, one second. Yeah. In this, there are three blocks. One is transparent, other two are filled with colors, and direction is in upwards. Same way, this is not interchanged. They are as such as previous, but the direction is reversed here, right? So in this diamond should not be replaced anywhere. It should be as such. Let's draw it, because here the blocks, these three blocks are not replaced, so they are keeping as such. So even here also one should be filled with color. Okay, another should be transparent, right? Think that this is filled with color. Let's move on to solving. 1 minute. Okay, fine. Here, one second. Here the triangle, sorry, this curve which is given, it is in this direction. But in this A option, the direction is changed. When it is in B, A direction is upward, B direction is in, it is in downwards. The directions are in downwards. So C, it is downwards. So the next should be the direction, the curve should be upwards, right? Yes. Is that the answer? No, this is wrong. This is the answer. Yeah, this is correct. Let's check with other two options. This is wrong. This is wrong. And second one is the correct option. Now let's move on to next one. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Yeah. Find the answer for the sixth one. Okay, find the answer for the sixth one. See, in this they are kept as such, right? Find the answer for the sixth one. See, in this, there is no changes except this one and this one. In this, there is a changes, and in this, there is a changes, right? Right? Because these two are interchanged in next one, right? And this division symbol is filled with color in next option, and this not equal symbol is in A, it is filled with colors, and in B it is transparent, right? So the same way, this should be transparent. Which is transparent here? This and this. So here this two should be what? This two should be in a, it should be replaced, right? So in this it is not replaced, it has given as such. So this is not the option. This is the option. Yeah. Second option 2 is the correct answer. Yes, Suraj, it is correct. Yeah. Now try to solve the seventh one. See, all these are tilted. This plus, it is written, see, this as written in, I'm writing this horizontal line longer and vertical line in shorter because to make you understand. So this is tilted in the way as like this. Okay, this X the same way, even here, yes, and the division is tilted like this. So now this should be tilted as up. How it should be tilted? Like this, right? Like this, right? This option should be tilted like that. And the second one should be like this. And third one should be like this. And fourth one should be like this. Now we need to check with color. The first one, it is colored, and next when it is tilted it is turned, it has no colors, it is transparent. So in this it has color. Yeah, in this it does not have color, so when it's tilting it has to get filled with colors. So let's first check with the shapes. This is not the right answer, and even this is not the right option. Let's check with this and this because these two matches the shape, right? So we need to check with color. First one, it is not having color, so the next option should be, next option it has to be in colored. So here it is having color, here it is no color, so it should, here it has color, and here there should be no color, so this is correct. So that means this option is correct. Try to solve eighth one by yourself. Yeah, Suraj, third one is correct. Try to solve the eighth one. So in this, 1 second. In this, first we'll find the answer separately. This circle and plus mark is tilted, right? In how much degree? It is tilted with 45 degree. Let's consider as 45 degree. And this square should be, 1 second. I'll draw it properly. This is still, this A and B. In A and B, the circle is tilted, right? In this, if it is tilted, or it looks like, it look like this, right? So in this, which will be the option? This will be not the option. Even this will be not the option. So we have to check with 2 and 3. Okay. Then we'll check with the border. Here, between two lines, it is having a in this they're having a diagonal line between two lines of a circle, right? Here, when it is in next one, it is changed, right? It has came, the lines have came here. So in this, lines are here. So in next diagram, the line should be here. That means which option will suits here? This option, right? So the option is 3. The third one is right here. So any doubt in this? Any doubt? Okay, we'll move on to next topic. That is syllogisms. So here they will give a statement, then we need to find the conclusion of the statement. Okay. For that we need to draw. For example, let's take it this as an example. Okay. Some papers are pen. Let's write it down. Some papers. Let's write it papers are as PAP. In that some are what? Some are pen. Okay. In paper, some are pen. So all pencils are pen. One second. See, some first statement. See, first some papers are pen. So first we're writing some papers. In that we're taking off part and we're making that as pen. Okay. All pencils are pen. That means all pencil should be pen. That means we have to write here. One second. I'll take the other color. In this, all pencil. All pencil are. All pencils are pen. This is the diagram we are getting by solving this statement. Let's find out that which conclusion is satisfied. Some pens are pencil. Some pens are pencil. Yes, it is right. This one is satisfied. Some pens are paper. Yes, that is right. It is satisfying both the conclusion. So in this, these two conclusions also are true. This is how we need to solve this problem. First we need to draw and we need to analyze. Now let's find the next one. All windows are door. We'll solve few more problems, then it will be clear. All windows, one second. All windows are door. Yes, right. This all windows are door. This is how we have to write. Then next statement is no door is wall. This is window. Let's write in same color so it will be easy to understand. See, this is window. Then the next statement is no door is wall. That means the wall is separate. No door is wall. Now let's find out the conclusion. Some wall is door. Is there any common in this? No, this is separate and this is separate. So this conclusion is not satisfying. No wall is door. Some wall is door is not, it is not satisfying. And no wall is door. Yes, no wall is door. It is satisfying the conclusion. So this is the right. In this second statement, this second conclusion is the right answer. So let's move on to next one. All the pencils and pens. All the pencils are pen. Okay, let's write it down. 1 second. All pencils. We'll write this as all pencils are pen. All pencils are pen. They are given like this. So we have to write pencil inside the pen because all are pen, right? Yes. So all pens are ink. So where is pen here? This is pen. So all pen are ink. This is the statement. Now we need to find the conclusion. All pencils are ink. Yes, this pencil comes under pen comes under ink. So the pencil, all pencil are ink. So it is correct. So this satisfies the conclusion. So some inks are pencil. Yeah, all are not pencil, but some in ink some are pencils. Yes, even this will satisfy the condition. This is how we need to solve this type of question. Now let's move on to next one. Some dogs are bats. Let's draw it. Some dogs. Some dogs are bat. Okay. There are few some dogs are bat. Okay. Some bats are cat. Some in this part. Some bats are cat. So we'll see the statement. Some dogs are cat. No, it is not in this circle. So no, some dogs are not cat. This does no dogs are cat. So this conclusion is wrong. Some dogs are cats. No, it's not right. So it is wrong. Some cats are dog. No, even this is right. Sorry, even this is wrong. So in this, none of the conclusions are right. So both are wrong. Okay. Now let's move on to next one. Some cars are jeeps. How to write this? Car. Some cars are not all. Some, so you have taken little parts of that. Part of that. So some cars are jeep. Then what is the next one? All pens are cars. All pens are car means it has to be inside car because the statement is telling that all pens all pens are car. Yes. Then we will see the conclusion. Some jeeps are cars. Yes, it is satisfying. See, some part of jeeps are car. It is correct. No pen is jeep. Yes, even this is correct. Pen is not. In diagram, we can see that the pen is not touching with the jeep, right? So there are no pen is jeep. So in this, the two conclusion also satisfies. Okay, now let's move on to next one. Some cats are rat. Some cats. Some cats are rat. If it is all means that cat should come inside rat. But yes, some. So you're taking only little part in cats. Okay. All bats are table. We have to write it separately. All bats are table. Tables. All rats are bat. That means this have to be inside this. So we have to write that all rat and this cat also, because some cats are rat, right? So this is rat. Wait 1 minute. This blue color is rat. Rat. Don't get confused. This one is rat. Okay. Here let's see the conclusion. Some cats are bat. See, will some cats are bats? Yes, it is satisfying because some cats is drawn. See, it is shared with bat. So it is correct. All bats are rat. No, it is wrong because all rats are bad. That is correct. But all bats are not rat. So this is wrong. The statement is wrong. Then all tables are cat. No, this is also wrong. Only bat and rat, all bat or all rat are table. But table is all table is not cat. So even this is wrong. All bats are cat. No, this does not satisfy. So in this, only first one conclusion will satisfy. We'll draw for this. Samosas are jalebi. Samosa are 1 second. Samosa are jalebi. All see all jalebi are what? It is tikki. All jalebi are this yellow color is 1 minute. This yellow color is tikki. All jalebis are tikki. All tikki are burfi. We'll take one more color. All tikki are burfi. Now we need to check the conclusion. All jalebi are burfi. Yes. See, this yellow color comes inside burfi, right? So this one is correct. All tikkis are samosa. No, the samosa is here out of the box and tikkis is see yellow part is sticky and red the circle which is written in red color and word, yes, it is samosa. So all tikki is not samosa. So this does not satisfy. All samosas are burfi. No, only few samosas are burfi. So when this is wrong. All burfis are jalebis. No. See, all jalebis or tikkis are burfi, but all burfi are not tikki or all burfi are not jalebi. So in this state, this conclusion is wrong. Only the first one is correct. We'll move on to next one. Statement: all gold or platinum. One second. All, let's take it this as gold. All gold are platinum. See, in this yellow color indicates gold and this gray color indicates platinum. I'll make it here. See, I have written here gold in yellow color indicates gold, this gray color indicates platinum. Fine. Then no platinum is silver. Let's take this gray as silver. This actually this platinum color, it's look like somewhat light blue. Let's take it as blue. Okay, let's consider this blue color as platinum, yellow as gold, and this gray as silver. Okay, here the statement they have given is no platinum is silver. So this is not, here it is platinum, there are no platinum and silver, so we were rating it separately. Some diamonds are silver. We'll take diamond, we'll take this purple color for diamond. Some diamonds are silver. Okay, now let's solve. Some di let's solve now. Some diamonds are gold. See, diamond is here, gold is, see, diamond is here, gold is here. Is that satisfies? No, right? So it is wrong. So some diamonds are platinum. See, platinum is here, diamond is here. Does it satisfies? No, this is wrong. Next one, next conclusion. Some gold or silver. Some gold is here, silver is here. Even this is not satisfying. And next one, no silver is gold. Yes, this one is satisfied. See, no silver is gold. Gold is here, silver is separate, gold is separate. So only the fourth conclusion is satisfying. This is how we need to solve the problem. In the same way, let's do it for next one. See, let's take Spider-Man in purple, Superman in pink, Batman in black, Spider-Man, Superman, Blackman. Okay, Batman, sorry. Let's take it as in silver. It will be easy to analyze. Okay, let's take Batman in gray color. Okay, now let's solve. No Batman is Spider-Man. So, Batman is here. Spider-Man, it is purple, right? So, no Batman is Spider-Man. One second. Write it separately because they're not saying, they're given no. So, we have to write it in separate. Okay. Some Superman are Spider-Man. Some Superman is indicated with pink color. Some Superman are Spider-Man. So this one is the next. Some Superman, okay. See, we have written the condition that no Batman or Spider-Man. So we have written Batman separately in grey color and Spider-Man in separately purple color. No Batman is Superman. Superman is separate written separate. Black man is again here it is written separately, and Superman we have to return separately. Okay. Then some Superman are Spider-Man. So I have written on this Spider-Man to get this because some part because some Supermans are Spider-Man. So I have drawn like this. So all Batmans are Spider-Man. One second. See, again I'll repeat the answer. No, Spider-Man is indicated in purple, Superman is indicated in pink, and Batman is indicated in gray. Some Spider-Man are Batman. One second. No Spider-Man is Superman. Superman is indicated in. Actually, we have to take this condition. I have taken the options. Okay. No Spider-Man. Here, no Spider-Man is Superman. So I have written in separately. Okay. No Superman is Batman. So even here I have written separately. Some Spider-Mans are Batman. Some Spider-Man are Batman. Okay. Now this diagram is correct. Leave this. Take it down. This. Okay. Now let's see the conclusion. No Batman is Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man. This is Batman. This is Superman. SUP. Okay. First condition. No Batman is Spider-Man. No, this is wrong. Some Batmans are Spider-Man. Some Spider-Man are Batman. Yes. No Batman is Superman. Yes, this one satisfies. See, this Superman is separate and this Batman is separate. So this is the one of the correct conclusion. So we'll check with rest of two. Some Superman are Spider-Man. Some Superman are Spider. No, this is also third conclusion is all wrong. All Batman are Spider-Man. Even this is wrong. Only the second conclusion is right. Now let's move on to next one. WhatsApp, let's indicate in green. Instagram, let's indicate in purple. The same way, Twitter, let us indicate in blue. Okay. Facebook with orange. These are the colors we are going to use now. Okay. No WhatsApp is Instagram. Write it separately. Which color is WhatsApp here? One second. Okay, we'll solve it now. Which color is WhatsApp here? Green, right? So, green. No WhatsApp is Instagram. Instagram is purple. So, it is no. So, you're writing separately. So, no Instagram is Twitter. Twitter is indicated with blue. It is given no. So, here in this, we are writing it in separately. So, all Twitter is Facebook. That means all Twitter comes inside Facebook because see this has turned to green color. One second. Yes. Uh, Now let's analyze. This is this green is WhatsApp, this purple is Instagram, this blue is Twitter, this orange is Facebook. They have given that all Twitter. So this all Twitter is Facebook. Let's see the conclusion. No, Twitter is WhatsApp. Yeah, Twitter is separate and WhatsApp is separate. So this is correct. No, Facebook is Instagram. Yes, even this is correct. No, Facebook is no, Facebook is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is separate here. Facebook is separate here. This is also correct. All Facebook are Twitter. No, this is wrong. All Facebook, this entire orange color is not inside blue, but this blue is entirely inside orange. That means Twitter is entirely inside Facebook, but Facebook is not inside Twitter. So all Facebook or Twitter. This statement is wrong. Only the first three, one, two, three statements are three conclusion are correct. Now let's move on to next topic. We'll next move on to statement assumption. In statement assumption means in this while reading the statement we are agreeing without any proof. Okay, if we agree without any proof, that is called as assumption. In this type, first they'll give a statement, then they'll give you two or more assumption. In that we need to check the assumptions are right or wrong. So in that what you have to do, see, we have small tricks in this. First, read it down. Here we have to decide whether assumption are true or relevant to the statement. For example, they are given the statement. First, we have to read that and we need to analyze ourselves. We have to use our common sense and we need to analyze whether it is the assumption is related to statement or not. If it is related, then it is true. If not, it is false. Mainly the statement, the given statement and the assumption should be mainly related to the statement. The tricks we have to use here is whenever you see the words like every, each, now, all, only, etc., then the assumption will be false or explicit. Whenever in the assumption, if you see these words, then the word, then the assumption is false. We have to consider that as false. Okay. Okay. First, let's move on to the question statement. Read the statement. Liquid soap should be used in the place of soap bar to wash hands. The assumption, soap bars are harsher to skin than liquid soap. See, this statement is telling that we have to use soap bar, hand wash. Sorry, in this they are telling that we have to use liquid soap instead of soap bars. But here they're telling that the harshness. So this is not satisfying this condition. One second. This assumption is not related to the statement, because in statement they are telling that you have to use liquid soap instead of bar soap, but here they are telling the harshness. So here it is not at all related. So this is wrong. So the answer is explicit. If it is wrong, we'll tell it as explicit or false. If it is right, then we'll use the word implicit. Here the answer is explicit or false. If it is true, then you have to use implicit. Now, read the statement and analyze. Sorry, then as you need to read the assumption and analyze. Electric vehicles produce less air pollutant. electric way, that is the statement, okay? The assumption should be related to the statement. Electric vehicle will be the only means of transportation in future. See, this is the statement which is given is different. They're telling that it is less pollutant, but here they're telling the that it is only mean of transportation, that too in future. If you see the word future, that means the assumption is false, okay? Whenever the assumption speaks about past or future, then it is false statement. So it is explicit or false, because whenever here they're talking present condition, current situation, but in assumption they're telling about future. In that case, this assumption is false, okay? Now let's move on to next one. Mainly the assumption should be related to the statement what they have given. Next statement, warning, cell phone use prohibited beyond this point. This is warning, this warning is not necessary. See, here they are using the word prohibited, right? That means they're telling that you using cell phone is not prohibited at some point. But here in the assumption, they're against the condition, right? They're against a statement. So the answer is always the assumption should be related to the statement, but here it is against a statement. So your answer will be explicit or false. Seat allocated for only disabled people. That is the statement here they have given here. The assumption, only females who are physically disabled can occupy such seats. See, in first statement, they are told they are given for allocation generalized way, but in assumption they are giving specific that only the physical disabled should be seated. Even here, it is not totally satisfying the first statement. This assumption is wrong. Here it is generalized, and here it is specified. So the answer is explicit here. It is not relevant to the statement. Now let's read the next one. State government has asked the financial institution to lower their interest rate for agriculture loan. Assumption, this will increase per hectare productivity in future. I told you whenever they're talking about future in assumption or about past, then that assumption point will be explicit. So this one is wrong. Next, this move will help farmers in paying less interest amount and thus their profit may increase. Yes, when they lower their interest, obviously they'll pay less interest and their profit will be more. Their profit will increase. Yes, this statement is correct. So your option will be mainly the assumption should be related to the statement. So here it is related to the statement. So your answer is first one. Only assumption one is simply no. Implicit means correct or true. Explicit means false or wrong. Only assumption. Yeah, second one is correct. We know either one or two. Here we exactly know that this option is correct. So even this is wrong. Neither even this is wrong. Both one or so. In this, we know that second option is correct. So option B is your right answer. Now let's move on to sixth one. If he is smart, he will crack the interview. To crack an interview, smartness is required. He will definitely crack the interview. See, this first statement is assumption is related to first one, but you will definitely crack the interview. Here they are not mentioned that someone is going to crack definitely. The definitely word is not used here, or related word also is not used here. But in assumption, they are telling that he is going to crack the interview definitely. So this is explicit. So to crack an interview, if he is smart, he will crack the interview. That means if smartness is required, so first this one is correct. So only the assumption one is implicit. I told you implicit means correct. So answer A. Now let's move on to next one. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Okay, we'll move on to seventh one. Sunlight is good source of vitamin D. Sun is the only source of vitamin D. They have not told here in statement one about only the sun. They have told that sunlight is good for vitamin D, but in assumption they're telling only source. So this is not related at all. So this is explicit. Vitamin D is obtained in very small amount from sun. See, even this is not given in statement. Yes, right. They're not talking about certain amount of vitamin D. They're just telling sunlight is good source of vitamin D. But in first statement, they're telling it is only source. So we're not we're taking that as explicit because that is wrong. Vitamin D is obtained in every small amount from vitamin D is obtained in very small amount. Even the amount of we are obtaining, that amount is not mentioned in the statement. So even this is wrong. So the option will be, see, this is not the option, this is not the option. Either one or two, no. Neither one or two is implicit because this is none of in this both are wrong. So we need to select neither one or two is implicit. None of them are correct, right? So selecting neither one or two is implicit. Implicit. Now let's move on to next one. Statement: if Ram studies hard, he will get first rank. This is a statement. We need to do the assumption that Ram will study hard. Ram will not study hard. What is the answer? See, in this case, what is the answer? They're telling that if Ram studies hard, he will get first rank. If Ram, in that, there are two conditions. One, he may study hard or he does not do hard work, right? So the answer is, what is the answer? If two option are wrong, then we need to select neither one or two. But in this, it is not the case. I'm telling you generally, if two options are wrong, then we need to select the option neither. Okay. In this, what is the answer? What is the eighth answer in this? Both the conditions satisfy, because if you work hard, you may get first rank, or if not, it does not get first rank. So this both condition is satisfying based on the statement. So your answer will be both 1 and 2 are implicit. Both are correct, right? If you work hard, you will get first rank. If not, you won't get the first rank. So this both assumption is satisfying the statement. Okay. Now let's move on to next one. Next topic, that is statement conclusion. Before, this topic is called as statement assumption, and this topic is called as statement conclusion. We'll see the problems on this. In this, in in this we need to use our common sense based on the statement. But here, just we need to read the statement and you have to give the conclusion only for the statement. We should not think out of the statement. And we should not assume also. If conclusion provide, see, for example, they have given a statement and that state the conclusion also will be given. If the conclusion is a type is in advice type or result type, then the statement is true. Let's solve few problems on this statement. Teacher scolded Ram in front of all the student. What is the answer for this? Teacher scolded Ram in front of all the students. The teacher disliked Ram. Is it correct? No. This is not satisfying the conclusion. Right. So this is false. We'll move on to next. With the increase in consumption of petroleum product, it is feared that petrol will be rare a commodity in near future. Petroleum products should be used effectively. What I have told in note, if the conclusion provide advice or result related to the statement, then it will be true, right? Here, they're telling that if we increase the consumption of petroleum product, then it will become rare in future, right? So the conclusion is petroleum product should be used effectively. So this conclusion is relevant to the statement, so it is true. The same way, tell the answer for this. An advertisement of a company XYZ, if you, it is an advertisement of a company, it's telling that if you are a software engineer, we want to hire you. Conclusion, company XYZ is in need of software engineers. Conclusion, another conclusion I'm going to give, yeah. Company Okay. In this one conclusion is that company XYZ is in need of software engineer. Other conclusion is company does not hire other qualified people. That means other than software engineer, they're not going to hire any other people to the company. That is the second conclusion. Let's find out that an advertisement of a, see, if you are a software engineer, we want to hire you. In first statement, they're telling that there are need of software engineer. This is satisfying, right? This is correct. But they, in this, the nowhere they mention that we are not taking any other qualified people. They're not mentioned that, right? So the second one, second conclusion is wrong. So the answer is only the conclusion one is follows. One follows. So answer is A. Now let's move on to next. India is a democratic country? India is a democratic country. This is the given word. So, no other country is in the world is democratic. There are many other countries in the world that are democratic. In here in the statement, they're only telling that India is democratic country, but here the given that no other country in statement they did not mention about any other country, right? So this is wrong. Even here, except India, they did not mention any other country, but in statement 2, conclusion 2, they're telling about many other countries. So this is also wrong. So if two options are wrong, then what will be your answer? D. Neither one or two follows. Why means these two are wrong because in statement they're talking only about India. So answer is D here. Okay. Try to solve this by yourself. This problem is this question is same as the other question which we have solved previously here, but we solved that in assumption, but here we need to solve under conclusion. So in this, the statement is given as Sham is one of the probable student for securing first rank in the class. So conclusion, Sham may secure first rank or Sham will not secure first rank. Here the word probable is used, right? Here the word probable is used. That means he may or may not be. He may secure first rank or not. These are the two conditions. These two conditions also giving conclusion for the statement. That means your answer is both 1 and 2 follows the conclusion. Yes. Any doubt till here? Today we have completed. What are the topics we have completed today? First we started with number series. Then we completed number series. Then we completed the blood relation topic. After that, we completed the data arrangement or seating arrangement. Then we learned about visual reasoning. This is the visual reasoning. Then after that, syllogisms. Even this we have completed. Then we have completed with statement assumption. And finally, we completed the statement conclusion also. Today we have completed totally 7 topics. Which is the topic? Can you please tell the topic, Suraj? Suraj, tell the topic which you did not understand. Hello, Siraj. Is my voice is audible? Yeah. You did not understand the concept called assumption or statement conclusion. Which topic you did not get? In which topic you are having doubt? Statement, assumption, or conclusion? Okay, I'll teach both the concept. Don't worry. Okay, I need to explain the statement conclusion topic, right? Okay. The last question. Yeah. See, in this, they have given that Sham is the one of the probable student for securing first rank in the class. They're telling that probable, they're using the word probable. That means he may secure first rank or not. That is the possibility, right? So in that case, the conclusion can be he may or he will secure or will not secure. Based on this, we need to decide the conclusion whether it is right or wrong. So in case, see, this is a question, they have given the word probable. So the conclusion is will or will not. So I'll give the another option. I'll give you one more example that. 1 minute. I'll give you one more example based on this. Okay. See, in this, instead of this word probable, if they have given Sham is the one, Sham is the one student. Okay, 1 minute. Oh, this Sham is the one student who secured first rank in class. We'll modify this statement. Sham is the one student who secure first rank in the class. In this statement, they're telling that Sham is the one who is going to secure first rank. In that case, only the first condition is going to satisfy, because even here it is giving the conclusion that Sham will secure first rank. Even the statement also is like Sham is the one student securing the first rank in the class. The first conclusion is satisfying the statement. The second one will not. Here in the statement, they did not mention anywhere that it cannot secure the first rank. So this second conclusion is wrong. So the same way in this, only first one is right. So the if you look into the option, we'll write that only one conclusion, one follows. That means option A is correct. If the statement is given like Sham is the one student who secured the first rank in class. If the statement is given like this, then only the first conclusion is correct and it satisfies the statement. If it is given as like probable, they're telling that they may or may not. So in that case, Sham will or will not secure the first time. In this type, the both the conclusion is satisfying the statement. This is what the answer. In this, both 1 and 2 follows the statement. Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Is it clear? Any other doubt, Suraj? Any other doubt in any other concept? Okay, fine. Okay, today we have learned many topics, right? We have learned about what are topics we learned today? We have learned number series. We have learned number series, blood relation, data arrangement, visual reasoning, syllogisms, statement assumption, statement conclusion. These are the 7 topics we have learned today. Okay. 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 Thank you all for joining today's session. See you in the next class. Thank you all.